If you keep choosing the same kind of partner, even when you promise yourself you won't, it's not because you're broken. It's because your nervous system learned what love felt like long before you had a choice. Welcome, I'm Tina Brigitini. If this is your first time at this channel, this video is part of a relationship trauma healing series that's created to help you to understand your patterns without shame and without reliving the past. You don't need to fix anything right now, just note it. So many people say, why do I attract emotionally unavailable partners? Why does it feel and then painful? What's wrong with me? Nothing is wrong with you. You're not choosing the wrong person. You're choosing what feels familiar to your nervous system. The nervous system doesn't seek health. What it seeks is what's familiar. So if love once felt like or effort or self-abandonment, then inconsistency can feel like connection. This isn't a flaw, it's conditioning. So you didn't choose this consciously, your body learned it to survive. And survival patterns can change. So instead of asking, why do I choose the wrong people? Ask yourself this: what part of me learned that love feels like this? And that question restores choice. And now ask yourself this: what does familiar love feel like in my body? And there's no answers required. Awareness is enough. In the next video, we'll explore why anxiety feels like chemistry and why calm feels unfamiliar at first. You're not here to fix yourself. You're here to come home to yourself. And I'll see you in the next video.